Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you JBL earbuds. One side is not working. How to fix? If you want to fix this problem, then you will need to factory reset your earbuds. For that, placing both ports in the charging case. While the charging case is charging, now press the button on the right port and hold it for more than 5 seconds. You have now reset the factory settings. Please note, if you have performed a factory reset, you will need to remove the headphones or forget this device from any smartphone or tablet they were once connected to. This will allow your device to now search for the newly restored headphones under BT devices. So if you find the solution of this problem, then perform a factory reset for your earbuds. And this is applied to JBL Reflect Flow, JBL Tune 220 TWS, JBL Tune 120 TWS, and JBL Live 300 TWS. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.